Okay, so thank you so much, Lou. I will take it from here. Hey everyone, this is Technology Trainer, and you have just spoken to my counterpart, the human that's talking a few minutes ago. So I'm Technology Trainer, aka Luel, but right now I'm in the virtual reality world. And the first part is really I wanted to, bring you to this world that I just made, and I hope you have a wonderful time. Welcome to my meditations world. Okay, so this is now the meditations world that I just mentioned. And the first part is really just exploring. So if you look around you, you can see leaves falling. You can also see little birds flying over there. And there's this massive tree that's actually right in front of you. So there are many aspects in terms of building a virtual reality world. There are many principles that you could use, but the main effect is making it and in making it more immersive is number one to make the environment green or to choose the colors basically that you want. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is create. So we are going to go to create new world, and then so you have the option here of using assets imported from your own 3D creation tool. You can build your own three-dimensional assets. You can also use what we call primitive assets, which are already in place. That is the end. And before I do, I just want to thank everybody for listening. As I bring back, if you have any more questions, feel free talk to the human, to Lowell, who's about to speak to right now. Feel free to talk to him and ask him questions about things like how to build this world, how to make it engaging, how to make it interesting, and what other things that you can do, what other virtual reality worlds, and what other tools you have to make this, a very exciting and engaging environment.